In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add gradient text in Google Slides, whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or just for fun. Adding a gradient to your text can make your slides pop and help you stand out. Let's dive right into it. First, open up your Google Chrome browser. If you're not already signed in, you'll want to locate and click on the Sign In button. This should be visible at the top right corner of your screen. From here, choose your Google account from the list. If you're prompted, enter your password and click on Next to move forward. Now that you're signed in, look towards the upper right corner again. You should see a grid of small squared dots, often referred to as the Google Apps menu. Click on those dots and scroll down until you find Slides. Click on Slides to open it up. Now, you'll need to choose the presentation you want to work on. Browse through your saved presentations, select the one you want, and click on it to open. Great. Now we're going to convert some text to word art. Head over to the top menu and click on Insert. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Word Art. A text box will pop up. Type your desired text into this box and hit Enter. You've now transformed the text into word art, which allows you to utilize gradient fills. With your word art selected, we'll apply a gradient fill to give it that colorful, eye-catching look. Look towards the toolbar for the fill color icon, which looks like a paint bucket. Click on this icon and a menu will appear. From this menu, choose gradient. Here, you can pick from a variety of preset gradients, such as top to bottom, left to right, or any other available options. If you want to create your own custom gradient, it's quite simple. Go back to the fill color icon, select gradient again, and this time click on custom at the very bottom. A new window will pop up, presenting even more options. You'll see an add button, which allows you to insert more colors into your gradient scheme. You can also drag these color stops to adjust the distribution of your colors. To change any color, click on a color stop circle, then click the little paint bucket icon next to the remove option. Choose a new color from the palette provided. You can also decide between a linear or radial gradient and adjust properties such as the angle or center point of your gradient. Once you've customized your gradient and are satisfied with how everything looks, click OK. Your gradient text should now be beautifully displayed in your slide, ready to capture your audience's attention. And there you have it. You've successfully added colorful, gradient-filled text to your Google Slides presentation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps enhance your future slideshows.